person on camera?
I'm videotaping your baby working at the screwdriver. And apparently the dog.
Boo.
That made you jump.
Alright, let's see it. I'll get it started for you, kiddo. And then you can use the screwdriver, alright? This time, though, you're going to push the other button. The button on the other side of the handle controls clockwise movement. Put this in and then hit this button. Okay? Put this in the screw. That end in the screw. Nope. The screw's right here. Put it in there straight. Push that button. Now do it. Keep going. Good girl. Good girl. Fantastic job.
And now you put that.
Rosie, take a hike.
Wow, there's not enough room for you.
Yep, it's all you. It's all you, kiddo.
And now,
With your screwdriver. In straight. There you go. Oh, other button. Other button. Stop. Hit this button. Hold it so that it won't do that. Hold it tight.